ARGOS X DRIVETHRU is the system designed for fast, automatic wheel alignment diagnosis, specifically developed to be installed in the workshop reception area. In just a few seconds, and without requiring the customer to exit the vehicle, ARGOS X DRIVETHRU analyzes every incoming vehicle, immediately identifying potential wheel alignment issues. Its contactless technology eliminates the need for clamps, targets, or sensors, preventing rim damage and reducing operating time. The license plate recognition system automatically links the vehicle plate to the corresponding model and retrieves technical specifications from an always up-to-date database. Thanks to the instant sharing of results via WhatsApp, SMS, or email, ARGOS X DRIVETHRU delivers a clear, transparent, and professional customer experience, increasing trust and effectively supporting the sale of wheel alignment services. With ARGOS X DRIVETHRU, identifying vehicles with out-of-spec alignment becomes simple and cost-free. The system generates an easy-to-understand report that clearly highlights issues caused by incorrect alignment, making the need for adjustment immediately clear to any customer. Once the initial check is completed with ARGOS X DRIVETHRU, customer data can be stored in the workshop database and automatically transferred to ARGOS X, allowing the operator to proceed directly with the wheel alignment adjustment. Based on industry data, if 100 vehicles enter a workshop each week and are analyzed in just a few seconds, around 50% would require wheel alignment correction. Considering that more than half of these customers are likely to accept the service, ARGOS X DRIVETHRU becomes a powerful tool for driving revenue growth and increasing profitability. ARGOS X DRIVETHRU turns every vehicle entering the workshop into a potential business opportunity.